The officer at the door feels so left out.
Going towards the salt exit.
Let's go. Get ready, bud. Put your phone away. Boom!
Anything on you I need to know about?
No.
Any weapons?
No. Alright.
Sir, why did you do this? Hi, hey, hello, how's it going? Welcome back. Squink here, former cop, future Walmart cashier, here to use my law enforcement experience to break down another body camera footage video and to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Today's video comes from Midwest Safety. Armed shoplifter rushes officer during escape. Gotta love those shoplifters. Seems like they're just about everywhere. And no store is safe. Alright, I've never seen this. Jumping in blindly. Here we go.
Officers from the Marshfield Police Department in Wisconsin arrive at Walmart to look for a suspect actively stealing knives. The suspect is currently darting around to hiding spots inside the store as officers begin to search for him.
Camel coat, blue jeans, camel backpack.
So keep in mind, if he's stealing knives and those knives are out of the package, those knives pose a very real threat to them. So I would be thinking about that as a police officer.
Black and white shoes.
How are you guys today?
Oh, we're good. Just looking for a guy with knives.
We're walking the store for now, looking for him. If you want to just stay by the exits. I believe it's camel coat, blue jeans, white shoes, and a backpack.
Okay, so just real quick, it's pretty customary on shoplifting calls or any calls where someone could potentially escape and you're trying to find them. Usually everyone will wait outside, but if he poses a very real risk or he seems like he could do something brash towards another shopper with the knives or anything, if he poses a public safety risk, some officers will go in, others will stand at the exits just so they can catch him no matter what.
That's cool. You standing out here.
Yeah. There are worse things though.
There it is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Hi. Where is he?
He's still running around the store. He keeps running between out there to the back bathrooms, kitchen knives, and then back to sporting goods.
How old is this guy?
If I had to guess, probably mid-30s. Me and Ronnie tried stopping him, I want to say last month, and he actually shoved her into the breakaway doors, knocked him off the track when we went to approach him.
So camouflage coat or a sweatshirt, or was it?
Like a jacket with a camo backpack on, blue jeans, white shoes.
What color is the coat? Camel?
Camo. Yep, and then it's got a black hood.
Where was he last seen? Back by the bathrooms?
Yeah. And then he started snaking back up this way, and then I saw you guys.
Is there a way you can get out on the backside?
No, it'll just be out the front two doors.
So you have no idea on a name though, huh? Just...
No fire exits?
Well, we'll stick with you if you want to try to find him since we have no idea what he looks like.
Yeah.
There's two more waiting on the doors.
Hey.
You might put it back to the back. Yeah.
Right here? Hey, come here. Stop.
Never a good sign when they just don't listen.
He's running. What?
The officer at the door feels so left out.
Going towards the salt exit.
Let's go. Get ready, bud. Put your phone away. Boom! Knife, I would assume. Knives. Several knives falling on the floor, perhaps.
Get his hands. Make sure he doesn't have a knife. So are you okay?
Is that the guy who was like, "Are there really things worse than standing in the cold?" He was like, "I feel like something's a brewing. I'm gonna wait just inside the entrance in the warm, and just in case the police need me to tackle someone with knives, I'm here for them."
Fine. Get a handcuff on him.
Get his legs.
I love Good Samaritans. Nothing better.
No. Stop. Get behind your back now. Behind your back. We got taser?
Yeah.
I got it. Let me know when.
Get him the legs.
Wow. Yeah, so those body cameras often fall off during struggles like this because a lot of the times they're just held together by a really strong magnet. But the magnet seems to peace out whenever there's a struggle like this, so they'll just fall off. This guy, he's like, I'm here for bread. Like, bro, you're outnumbered. Why are you still going?
Tase him again. Stop resisting.
Yeah. So right under the ear right there, if you press inward and out towards the jaw, it hurts a bit. So what they're doing is pain compliance. They're going to keep pressing in on that. And they're going to keep tasing him until he finally complies.
Forward march, but we need more visits.
Keep it in your back. His hands out in front here.
Right here.
Are you done?
Try to get this other.
Stop.
I'm sorry, but they're right my recording.
Okay.
As annoying as it can be when someone starts recording you, like, in all honesty, it's their right. It's annoying, but they have every right to record. Just ignore it.
Are you okay, sir? Okay.
Can you just hang around so we can get your name? It'll be a few minutes. Don't even think about moving. All right, you injured? So we're rolling the squad up.
I don't
Are you
think
done
this
fighting?
guy has said a single
All
word.
right, appreciate it.
Is there any weapons on you? Where?
My bag?
But in your pockets or sweatshirt?
No.
We'll stand you up and walk to the squad, okay?
Do you have anything on you I need to know about?
No.
Any weapons?
No.
All right.
Sir, why did you do this?
Up in the car, we're going to deal with that stuff in the ER, okay?
I knew he took one of the cheap knives and then the knife that was in his hand. He was pocketing other stuff. I'm not 100% sure what it was. It was a lot of small stuff.
Cheap knife? What do you mean by that? Like kitchen knife or something?
Yeah, so we have like really cheap kitchen knives. They're like
you got that.
$1.
Well, I'm sorry if I was interfering.
No. We appreciate good Samaritans like you.
At the jail, officers search the suspect's belongings for the stolen knives and other items from Walmart.
Thank God for that old guy.
Yeah, he's good people.
Sharpener?
Scissor, sharpener. We thought there was 2 knives.
Well, there was one there.
That big one, yeah. This is that one, right?
Damn.
I'm not sure. The only one I saw was up against the...
Well, I saw one very similar to that. I believe it was that one coming flying across the room.
After searching his belongings, the suspect is taken to the hospital to get medically cleared, and officers use this time to question him about his intentions.
You have the right to remain silent.
So that card that he has, it has the Miranda Rights Advisory on it. A lot of the times, it's not because they can't memorize it. Like, they know it by heart. They say it enough times, they know it by heart. What sometimes the district attorney prefers is if there's a card that they read from, so then every single time it's consistent across the board. No matter how many times they've read it, they're reading it from the same source. Every single time it's going to be exactly the same. So if it comes to court, no one can argue that it was different than the last time they read it or that they forgot something because they're reading it right off of that card.
Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Sure.
Okay. Obviously, you're in Walmart. You admitted to the doctor before while I was standing outside that you'd been there shoplifting. Do you know how many items you grabbed or? Two. What were you gonna do with them anyway?
I just took alcohol and a knife.
Alcohol and a knife?
Yeah.
Okay. But what was the knife for?
Protection.
Okay. Is there somebody that's been coming after you or threatening you?
No, I just grabbed it.
Okay. So the thing that I was concerned with, honestly, is because, like, I know you're homeless and I knew you kind of been through that rigmarole. The thought that I had in my mind is, like, you were going to resort to even worse crimes, like robbing people. Was that not the case? You're just more concerned about protection?
Yeah, I wasn't gonna rob nobody.
Is there anybody that we need to be specifically worried about hurting you?
No.
Okay. What kind of alcohol did you take?
Fireball.
Okay. Were you planning on hurting yourself at all with the knife?
No. It crossed my mind, I guess.
I would like to get you help for it, if that's the case. Would you be willing to talk to Crisis at all? Obviously, it wouldn't affect what would happen tonight, but...
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to talk to him tonight while we're here?
It don't matter. I'll be alright.
Well, I genuinely want you to do better so that we don't have to have these interactions again. I don't
This is a
think
good
tonight
cop.
was positive for anybody. I don't think it was good for you. It definitely wasn't fun for us. I'll do whatever I can, with the resources that I'm given to make sure that you get the help that you need, and we don't have to do this again, because I really don't want you to see you in this situation again. Because what's crossing my mind when I'm dealing with somebody that just stole a knife from Walmart and they're trying to run out past me, it's like, well, what else are they going to do? Are they going to stab me? That's a serious concern for us.
I really appreciate how this cop is just speaking to him as a fellow human being. His verbal judo and his conversation skills are top tier. I totally respect this cop.
I'm not saying stealing alcohol is not a big deal, because honestly, when you steal from the store, it jacks prices up for everybody else, and times are tough already, and you know that. But like stealing a knife, stealing a weapon, that kind of gets to a whole new level. Right. And it really, when I hear that going up to a call, it makes me super concerned right off the bat. I prefer to figure out what's going on with you and get you the actual help that you need. So if you're willing to talk to him, I'll call him. Like I said, it's not changing anything tonight, but in the future, maybe you'll have some resources from them that you can actually kind of fix the problems that are going on and put you in a better situation. I'll give him a call. Have you ever dealt with Crisis before?
No.
Hey, so I'm out here with Seth. Told him that I wanted to reach out to some resources and have him talk to you. So I'm going to hand the phone over to him. I'm just going to put it on speaker. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Here, I'll sit on your lap then, all right?
Hello?
Some privacy.
Walmart surveillance footage shows the suspect attempting to run out of the store as he's being pursued by police. As he gets to the door, the officer waiting there stops him in his tracks, and the Good Samaritan begins to help immediately, along with the officer who was pursuing close behind him.
That old man totally knew something was a brewing. He waited so he could specifically help. Round of applause for him.
Large knife can be seen falling out of the suspect's backpack due to the struggle, and the interaction continues as seen in the bodycam footage. The suspect was charged with retail theft, disorderly conduct, resisting an officer, carrying a concealed knife, habitual criminality, and felony resisting an officer causing injury. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
All right, I think the police did a fantastic job. Obviously, when they hear that he's stealing knives, they gotta go on high alert. They gotta think about the repercussions and the overall outcome because of those knives. It totally changes the dynamic of the way they're going to approach him. I think the guy at the doors did a fantastic job stopping him so he couldn't get out. And it's by the grace of God no one got stabbed or seriously injured. And round of applause for that Good Samaritan. Very good job on him. Also, I hope he's nice and warm because he was very concerned about the officer waiting in the cold. I think the police did a pretty damn good job. I would give them an 8.5 out of 10. I do these videos just about every single day. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I take a week off because I'm sick. But regardless, I try to be consistent. I try to release at least 3 a week. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day.